Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 409 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and now includes the following counties in North Carolina: Camden, Chilwan, Currituck, Pasquotank, and Perquimans, and the following independent cities in Virginia: Chesapeake, Norfolk, Portsmouth, and Virginia Beach. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.